Hi, Pasco Espirian from Garnish Music Production School. Today I'm going to talk about bass. Bass is a new monophonic synthesizer from the recent free-pack creative extensions from Ableton. The architecture is based on Max for Live and is a collaboration between Ableton and Amazing Noises. Bass is a virtual analog monophonic synth with 4 oscillators that can be tuned individually and provides the entire palette of bass sounds in one device, from classically deep and clean to heavily distorted rambling tones. Oscillator, filter, and modulation tabs are presented in a single layer, which makes it ideal for quick but at the same time elaborated patches.